were ghosts. And then the ghost made out vampires. Then the vampire scratched his daddy, and the mother was scared. Then he scratched the mother, he scratched the baby. Then after that, they take him to a scary place where had firewood. And that was the place where a lot of scary things were. And those scary things had ghosts and monsters. And also zombies and stuff that are scary like vampires. And those things were really scary.